Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. Last though then, it was the euro dollar which impacted the dollar rupee. Two board members of the European Central Bank talked hawkish and talked about the possibility for a July rate hike. जिससे कारण euro dollar rose, dollar index fell, and dollar rupee fell from 76 half all the way down to 76.09 on the spot. But overnight, it's now turn of the US Central Bank chief Jerome Powell to talk very hawkish. He's signaled a possibility of a 50 basis point rate hike. और उस कमेंट के बाद now some Fed forecasters are forecasting a 75 basis point hike in June and July meeting. So 50 bips in May, that's what the market is now expecting, and even 75 bips, two hikes in June and July. So that's extremely hawkish. And जिसके कारण the US bond yields rose, dollar index ticked higher, and most importantly, dollar CNH, क्योंकि Chinese currency is a bellwether for the emerging market and Asian currencies, and that has continued to depreciate, and the Chinese currency that is trading at a 7-month low. So because of all this, dollar rupee is now trading in the offshore at a higher level. 76, 31, 32 के आसपास है spot, which means you are looking at a possible 76, 36 on the April futures. Year market, which we have been saying for the past couple of weeks, is a perfect market for option sellers, and they have built significant open interest in 76.25 put or 76.50 and higher strike calls. And till now, that strategy is paying off, because futures में ये जो continuous flips हो रहा है up and down within this 50 paisa range, that's making it difficult for futures traders unless you are a scalper to make money. So that's the reason why we have been consistently being advocating trades on options. So basically trade strategies like short strangles, short straddles. And even if we want to be long, like we did a positional trade for May, that is long dollar rupee, we did a ratio call spread. Usme we have done a net receiving of 11 paisa. So even if dollar rupee takes a long time to go up, or let's say it fails to go above 77, we'll still make money on the trade. So these kind of strategies are important, where you're having a net credit rather than net debit on the trade. As of now, as I said, 76.25 are the key support levels, not just on the basis of charts, but mainly option positioning. And 76.50 and 76.75 are the major resistance levels based on the option positioning and also on the basis of the charts. So this is going to be an overall range. Aaj the weekly options expire. So the focus will now shift towards the month-end options, which will expire on 27th, and then the next weekly, which is on 29th. And people will be looking to build again short positions of the options to take benefit of the long weekend. Now coming to the cross currencies में yen INR will be under pressure, because the rise in the US bond yields and the hawkish comment from the Fed is straight away a negative for the yen. और अभी तक जो commentary आया है from the Ministry of Finance officials from Japan and also from Bank of Japan, they are not yet indicating that an intervention is on the way. Generally, their tone becomes very hawkish, extremely hawkish or aggressive when it comes to the situation where they will come and intervene in the FX market. But as of now, the tone is mild, which means they are not yet looking at an intervention. But we have to keep on monitoring the commentary, because if dollar yen continues to surge, which means yen INR continues to fall, एक point आएगा जब that intervention risk will become extremely live. So keep monitoring it, which means stick to trades intraday, stick to stop losses, and even if you're taking trades overnight where you have a risk of that the market can gap against you, take small positions on which you can manage the risk. So be disciplined while trading the crosses like yen, euro, etc. Because unlike dollar rupee, here if you are indisciplined, the losses can be significant. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Our fantastic day ahead.